bought a brand new TV for the office. It's a 43-inch. We're gonna mount it on the wall. We purchased it at Costco, and it's a smart TV, full HD, 1080 picture performance, Wi-Fi as well. So we're gonna try to mount this on the wall. Our other one was an old flat screen, and then it gave out. It's not turning on, and it's just not working. So out with the old and in with the new.
The new TV is going to require different screws for the back of the mount. The old one had bigger screws, but it's not going to fit. So whenever I bought the TV mount, I saved all the different type of screws that goes into all the different type of TVs. So remember to save all your screws just in case you get a new TV, so you can use different screws. I'm going to go through all these to see which one works. Okay? And the mount has different holes to fit a lot of different formats in the back of the TV. So I think A1's going to do it. So I got A1. And I'm trying it on, so it works. I've got 4 of them, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see if I can do this on my own. If not, I may need to get some help. Okay. All right, so what we're gonna do is put the screws in there. Okay, lift it up some more. Up this way. Up, up, up. Let me see. All right, so we had to align the screws properly. Now we're gonna screw it in. Then we gotta do the 4th screw. So put them in there. Okay, so that one right there, and that one right there. So let me get the drill. All right, so I put the screws in there. Now I gotta officially screw it in. Okay, and let's do the last one. Check these one last time. Yep. Check this one last time. Yeah, it's good. Oh shit. That's yours now. Okay, let me see it. So yeah, the TV is on. Looks good. All right, good deal. So here's the final product. It's up. Looks great. Enough space.